Well, students, we spoke about bibliography in our earlier lecture. Let me go back to that lecture. How do we write the bibliography? We spoke about that the names have to be mentioned. We spoke about the year of publication has to be mentioned. The title of the research has to be mentioned. The journal or the publication where it was printed, the name of that journal has to be mentioned. The volume or the issue number of that journal is to be mentioned. Then the pages on which this particular article was published needs to be mentioned. In continuation to this, let us look at another thing. How do you start writing? The first thing you need to do is to write the surname followed by the first name. For example, if the person or the author who has written a research paper is Adam Smith, then how would we write? Smith, full stop, Adam, full stop, and then comma. It means to say that Smith is the surname which has to be written first. Similarly, supposing there is a teacher or a researcher in the name of Manpreet Kaur, how do you write her name? Kaur will come first, then full stop, then Manpreet, full stop, and then comma. Or there is another case, if there is a author named Kuldeep Singh, how will you write? His name has to be written as Singh first, full stop, followed by Kuldeep, full stop, and comma. Now, why I am mentioning this? This you will have to follow in your writing the bibliography page. All these names are to be written in the alphabetically order as per the dictionary standards. Now, for example, if you will have to write Smith, Kaur, and Singh. So how will you do it? Kaur will come first, then will come Singh, and then will come Smith, because K comes before S. And similarly, M is after I. Therefore, Kaur, Singh, and Smith. This is what would be the normal parameters or normal standard of writing a bibliography page. Now, for example, if there are more than two authors, let us talk. The first three authors have written one particular research paper. How do you write the names? If there are more than two authors, use the word et.al after the name of the first author without alphabetical order. That means if Adam Smith, Manpreet Kaur, and Kuldeep Singh has published a paper, now you will have to write the names. You will write the names like this: Smith dot Adam dot comma et.al. What does it mean? It means that Smith Adam or Adam Smith is the first author, and rest of the authors are second author and the third author. So the name of the first author needs to be mentioned, not the names of the other authors required. Therefore, if supposing Kuldeep Singh is the first author, then his name will start as Singh.Kuldeep, full stop, comma, and then ETAL. That means the other two names will be silent. So when somebody refers to et.al, it means that there are another authors of this particular research paper. Sometimes this is written because of the short of space. Now, if this space is little lesser and we cannot accommodate all the authors, then et.al is the right word to specify there are many other authors in this particular research paper. So therefore, it is very essential that the bibliography page is properly written without any complications and without any mistakes. So please be careful when the bibliography page is uploaded. Thank you.